Hello and welcome to a quick demonstration on the Quick Calculator in AutoCAD as well as Civil 3D. You can see I'm in Civil 3D, but we know that Civil 3D is built upon Map 3D, which is built upon AutoCAD, so the commands are all the same. So you can access the Quick Calculator by typing QC at the command prompt, and you'll see that it brings up the Quick Calculator. Or you can type Calc at the command prompt, and it brings up the same thing. What if we wanted to use the actual Windows calculator? What we're going to do is go over to the Express tools on the ribbon. We're going to hit Command Aliases, and we're going to add a shell command. A shell command will be an external command. We're going to add it in here. We're going to type a WC for Windows Calculator. And we're going to type Start Calc. We are going to leave the flags at 0. This is different Windows variables, but we're not going to be concerned about that right now. I'm going to hit OK. I'm going to hit Apply, and it'll come up and say, do you want to save your changes? Yes, and hit OK again. Now these changes are saved. I'm simply going to type WC at the command prompt, and you'll see I get the Windows calculator. So not only do I have the AutoCAD calculator, I also have a Windows calculator available. And one more bonus trick is in Civil 3D, you have the reverse Polish calculator as well. So type RPN Calc at the command prompt, and you'll bring up this calculator. Thank you. This has been a quick tip on how to access the Windows calculator from right within AutoCAD and Civil 3D.